I think for me the biggest problem is the lack of holistic perspective on circularity. It's very common, people say, we have a circular product, so therefore we are a circular company, or we are circular. Well, they're not. You have to look at the full concept of circularity to become circular, which means you need to work with your business model, you need to work with the infrastructure in the sort of taking back the products and how you sort of produce with that material. And I think every company needs to engage in that. You don't need to own or run all of this, but you need to engage in it to make sure that your products are in that circular loop. So that, I think, is the biggest misconception for me when people talk about circularity. Another thing, I think most people also see it as a pure sustainability game. And it's the biggest business opportunity that is lying there in front of you. Customers want it. It's a necessity from a climate perspective, as we've talked about. The resources will become cheaper when you reuse them and not extract them from the planet. So I think it's a bit sad that it's so sustainability focused right now. It should be much more business focused for companies. And it's up there for a grab. So